What's up, y'all? Happy first day of fall. We're here. This is a pretty far drop, but we're gonna go fish that creek. So, you know, let's pop down. There we go. Oh, missed him. There we go. He slammed it. Oh my God, it's a bass. That was a small bass. I just fumbled it. So I think any of them that were willing to bite, I already missed or fumbled. And then that bass that did bite got off. So, upward and onward. Ooh, this looks good. I might go over to the other side and cast in. Oh, or fish came on that easily. Or I might tip my spinner with a worm. See what happens, but we have our first fish. Oh, a good old-fashioned creek chub. I feel like we've been catching river chubs most of the time, but you know, I'll take a creek chub now and again. He's got a really bad hook set though. All right, here he is really quickly. Hope he didn't cook himself with that 3-prong hook set. Section of creek's looking pretty good. Okay, fish number 2. Another river chub, just a really small one. They're attacking big fish lures too, though. They're attacking not the smallest, but not the biggest rooster tail ever. Let's keep this down so they can't jump. Whoa, smallmouth. Well, there we go. There's a fish of sorts. Smallmouth bass. There we go. Fish. No, gone? Maybe? No. What do we got? A shiner. That's new. I haven't caught a shiner in a while. That's a weird looking one. I have to check what shiner that is, but hey, a new fish species. This microfishing's been paying up. I'm gonna try a Perry's jig, hoping that that does good. That might be the ticket. And then if the Perry's jig's not working, we could always put oh no, Perry's jig's working. Perry's jig is working. Whoa. Almost immediately caught a gargantuan chub. See it again. Let's see what else this Perry's jig can do. I really want to catch a smallmouth if I could. Oh yeah, what are you? Another big chub. I gotta eat one of these chubs here in one day. These are pretty big. You could get like some decent meat off of them. Oh, off he goes. There we go. Dude, these chubs. Oh, this is a creek chub. Not a river chub. It's a big one. These chubs just do not give up. Like, they just want every single bait piece that there is. It's kind of absurd. Gang, we got a big one. I saw him flash his colors. You might break my line. Whoa. Look at that. That is not a small river chub. Wow. Have my prayers finally been answered? I think it's supposed to start storming in a minute. Oh my God, y'all, yeah, it's gonna storm. Sidewalk is literally flooding. I wanna go fish that fallen tree due to the fact that it's just such a big habitat. Bro, fishing gotta be so addicting. You just want to keep exploring. Especially like creek fishing, dude. Like, you just never want to stop. Although, when you find a spot like this, why would you? Okay, that's not good. From what once was before shall return. All right, yeah, that's a lot of thunder. Let's get out of here. Now the winds are starting. Now a moderately long hike through the forest. Good bit of a bike ride. And we'll be home free. I should do some more videos out here in the forest. It's pretty cool out here. Up in the mountains. Love Western Pennsylvania. Can y'all hear that storm? The whole sky is turning white. With rain, it's probably gonna ruin my hat. This Panama cowboy hat, whatever. But yeah, you know what? We gotta deal with it. We just gotta keep walking. We're getting there, we're nearly there. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna take a break here while it's still dry, because the rain's not going under the bridge. And then, yeah, we're gonna cycle home. Is my hat gonna fall off while I'm climbing / riding? Oh, fuck yeah. I came to the spot where I have to climb all the way back up on a bad day. Okay. Let's not die. I love the rain. The sidewalk is literally flooding. I'm riding in straight water right now. You know, just spectacular timing, I gotta say.